Hello friends, today's topic, if you learn compounding, becoming a millionaire is easy. I am Dr. Bharath. The purpose of the video is service to society. We need compounding in all aspects of our life to be successful, whether it is compounding of our knowledge, efforts or money. However, compounding is very difficult to visualize and it takes time to see the benefits of it. Hence, most people give up. In this video, we are presenting some interesting statistics to show how investments grow and become huge. SCP of rupees 10,000 at 15% per annum. Suppose the SCP duration is 8 years. Corpus you collect will be 17.78 lakhs. Out of that, investment will be 54% at 9.6 lakhs. Returns will be 46% at 8.18 lakhs. Suppose your SCP is 12 years. Now the compounding starts working. Corpus will be 37.56 lakhs and the returns will be 62%, 23.16. Investment will be only 38% at 14.4 lakhs. Suppose your SCP is 16.3 years, corpus will be 76.03 lakhs and investment will be 25% at 19.6 lakhs. Returns will be 75% at 56.43 lakhs. Now you can see returns are more than the investment. Suppose your SCP is 21 years, 10,000 rupees at 15% per annum, 25.1 lakh will be your investment at 17%. Returns will be 83%, 126.9 lakhs and corpus will be 152.02 lakhs. In this video, I got a request. Instead of only looking at the 15%, make the calculation as 12%, 18%, 20% to find out the difference. And also, instead of 21 years, go for 25 years, 30 years and 35 years and see the magic of compounding. Initially, the investment you make contributes to a very large percentage of a total corpus. But after about 8 years, the contribution of the investment you made to the total keeps changing, reducing, since by then the compound interest is multiplying your money at a faster pace. It doubles once in 4 to 5 years only. So the difficult part of investing is the first 8 years or so, when your capital will not be large number for compounding to have a significant impact. Once you understand the hard work of waiting patiently for about 8 years, then the magic of compounding will start working for you. You just need to let it work for you. The reason we have presented this information is for you to realize that if you give up the first few years of investing journey due to impatience or lack of sufficient knowledge, then you will never be able to make your money work for you. It is very beautifully said, first 15 to 20 years of our working life, we need to work for money by doing a job or business. Next 20 to 30 years of our life, money will work for us and it will become a full-time employee of ours working throughout the years. End of the video, here is the question. Everybody kindly reply. Do you wish that you understood the concept of compounding earlier in your life? Yes or no? Because large number of people who take up Dr. Bharath Chandra's workshop keep on telling that I should have joined the workshop much earlier to realize the power of compounding. Suppose at the end of 15 years, you got 1 crore corpus. Suppose you had started 4 or 5 years earlier, that would have been 2 crores. And suppose you had started 8 years back with a very small SCP, then the total would have been 4 crores instead of 1 crore. That would have made a big difference in your whole lifestyle. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.